Hey everyone, this is Morgan, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play the worship song, "O Come to the Altar." In the description below are links to how I play the particular chords of the song, and also the chord sheet that contains the chords, the lyrics, and the strumming pattern for this song. One thing I would challenge you guys to do is before listening to this video, download the chord sheet, listen to the song, and see if you can play and figure it out yourself. Before going through this tutorial, because that's something at some point you'll want to gain necessary skills. If you know a song by ear and you know the chords, you can play it without listening to a tutorial like this. But if you need some help, feel free, view whatever part of this video you find helpful. So this song itself is in 6/8. It's not the most usual time frame. It's usually 4/4 for most worship songs, but 6/8. It's pretty easy to play once you get the hang of it. Counting it, you count up to 6 with emphasis on the 1 and the 4. So I'll just count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so the strumming pattern we have is pretty simple, and I'll just say it out loud and then play it for you. So just starting off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, 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 down. And then I'll just play that, migrating between E and A chord. Down. So that's the basic strumming pattern. If you play that the entire way through, it'll sound great. When I play live, and probably also throughout the rest of the tutorial, I do sometimes change my strumming pattern. It's just something I've picked up as I've gotten better at guitar. And so as you're practicing, trying out, missing, waiting a little bit, throwing an extra strumming pattern in there somewhere just to see if you can break it up. That's something to try. Okay, so on to the song itself. It's in the key of E. The chords are E, A, C sharp minor, and F sharp minor. And again, how to play these chords are links below. I'll also talk about the song itself has a first and second verse, a chorus, a bridge, and then a little outro verse. So I'll just teach you guys how to play step by step, starting with the first verse. There's an intro, the first verse. The first verse has an E, an A, back to an E, A, C sharp minor, back to that A. You repeat that once, and that is the first verse. The intro in front of this first verse, and usually how I play in between all the breaks in the song, is just 4 measures: a measure of E, a measure of A, a measure of E, and then a measure of A. So I play 4 bars before the start of this song when I'm playing it, and in between, like the chorus and second verse, chorus bridge, and then the chorus and the outro. So I'll play through the verse once with the intro, without singing, and then I'll sing the entire verse 1. So start with a little intro, 4 bars, and then into the chords of the verse. Starting the verse. A. And so I'll just play that again, singing it for your benefit. Starting with the intro, and then I'll sing the verse as I play it. Are you hurting and broken within, overwhelmed by the weight of your sin? Jesus is calling. Have you come to the end of yourself? Do you thirst for a drink from the well? Jesus is calling. Oh, come to. And so after the first verse, you go straight into the chorus. The chorus is an E, a measure of E, a measure of F sharp minor, a measure and a half of C sharp minor, half a measure of A, and then back to that E. Repeat that once with different lyrics, and that is the chorus. And so I'll just play that through. I'll just play I'll play half the chorus, and then I'll sing it afterwards. So E, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, A, back that E. And then so I'll sing it, and I'll play the last bit of the first verse. Do you thirst for a drink from the well? Jesus is calling. Oh, come to the altar. Father's arms are open wide. Forgiveness was bought with the precious blood of Jesus Christ. So that's the chorus. I'll usually play the intro again after ending the chorus and on to the second verse. Play just like the first verse, just different lyrics. And then talking about the bridge. The bridge has the same chords, it's just every chord is held for pretty much 2 measures instead of just 1. Starts off with an E, goes to A, to E, C sharp minor, A, E. Starts off with an E. I'll just play it through once. A, C, E, C sharp minor, the A, back to that E, and then repeat that. And again, if you're following along and need to know what these chord changes are, check out the link below. I'm providing them to you so you don't have to remember them all as I'm saying them out loud. So I'll just play that through once and sing it, and then transition a little bit into the second chorus. Or we play it the chorus played the second time. Starting off with, actually I'll play the last part of the chorus and into the bridge. Precious blood of Jesus Christ, E, A, E, A, to the bridge. Oh, what a Savior, isn't He wonderful? Sing hallelujah, Christ is risen. Bow down before Him, for He is Lord of all. Sing hallelujah, Christ is risen. Oh, come to the altar. Yeah, so that's the transition in between the bridge and the chorus. It's just 2 measures of E and then on to the E of the chorus. So after you play the chorus through again, then there's a little outro, same chords of the verse. It's just different lyrics, and so I'll play the last part of the chorus and then play a little outro and end the song. The precious blood of Jesus Christ. A, the E, to the A, and the outro. Bear your cross as you wait for the crown. Tell the world of the treasure you found. Jesus is calling. There you go. There you have it. Thanks for joining. Thanks for listening. If you have any comments, suggestions, please provide them below. But till next time, bye.